Hey guys, today I want to talk about one of the most impressive structure in India, the Statue of Unity. Standing tall at 182 meter, it is the world's tallest statue and is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was a prominent figure in India's struggle for independence. The statue is in Gujarat and attracts millions of visitors every year. One of the key features of the statue is its design. It is made up of bronze panels that were cast in China and then transported to India. The panels were then assembled on site, creating a stunning visual representation of Sardar Patel. Apart from its impressive height and design, the Statue of Unity also boasts a range of facilities for visitors. There's a museum that showcases Patel's life and achievements, and research center and an audiovisual gallery that provide insight into India's independent movement. But that's not all. The statue is also surrounded by beautiful natural landscape that includes a river, hills and forest. Visitors can take part in a range of outlook activities like hiking, camping and river rafting. Overall, the Statue of Unity is an incredible feat of engineering and a testament to India's rich history and culture. If you ever in Gujarat, make sure to check it out. It is definitely worth to visit.